Hello, this is a video tour of 1380 48th Avenue. You enter this building and you have your mailbox to the left. This unit comes with one-car parking, shared laundry, and an amazing backyard. It is shared with the occupants in the building. Okay, so here we are, unit number 3. This place has been nicely turned over. So right as you walk in, over here to the left is a very large coat closet. Goes all the way back, and there's plenty of space for additional storage. Living room is to the right, but let's take a look over here. This is your full bathroom. Nice big medicine cabinet, bathtub, and shower combination. This unit has beautiful hardwood floors throughout. To the left is the bedroom. You have baseboard heating, nice big closet with mirrored sliding doors. And there are 3 sections, so it's easy to get to. As you can see, it goes all the way back. This bedroom is located towards the back of the building, so it is very quiet. The left side of the closet has built-in shelving. Okay, so here is the living room. This is a big, beautiful living room that faces south. So you have a lot of natural light throughout the day. This overlooks a beautiful large garden that is shared with all the occupants in the building. There is a dining area here. Nice updated kitchen with range, dishwasher, refrigerator, quartz counters, nice modern sink. And there you go. If you're interested in this beautiful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.